So I'm going to take you through our new feature of issuing certificates for learners who go through and complete a course inside VidVersity. So you have to be an admin and you've got to go down to, on the front page, My Organisation. And there's two settings here that are new. One is email. So as you might know, when you register someone to complete a course, they get an invite to say complete the registration. That's if you use our registration system. So you can upload your logo here, so the emails will come from your logo branding. But we also have now this feature of a certificate. So again, you can upload your logo here. You can choose what the certificate actually says. So certificate of completion will be the header, so you choose the date format. You can use our theme, which has got some of our branding on it, or otherwise you can say not the template and you just get a standard blank certificate, and then you can say who it's issued from. So then once you do that, just to confirm that you're aware of how to invite learners to complete a course. So let's go into a course here. So you can either go through the process under share and go here and add individual users, and then you have to send them an email where they register themselves. Or we've also got the new feature on the front page where you can import learners, so you can create a spreadsheet. Note the spreadsheet is in a CSV format and doesn't have a header, so you just put first email, first name, last name, upload it. You then tick the boxes you want them enrolled in, and it will automatically issue a username and password for all of them that you can manually then send to them. And then what they get is this. They log in, and the courses they've been invited to do, they'll have the name of the course. It'll give them an indication that they haven't started the course, and then they click launch the course. Once they've launched the course, they'll commence the course. Now there's a new feature here. It also tells me that not only have they completed viewing, they've actually done the 2 out of the 2 questions. So we've now added this new little metric for the learner to be able to see that they've done 2 out of 2, because sometimes they're not marking as complete and it might have been they've missed a question. So once we've done that, back over here, if I just refresh, it's now issued that I've passed this. So the requirements was I had to do the 2 questions. As soon as you start, it swaps to passed, and now there's a certificate will be issued. So the certificate, based on how you've set that up, will now be issued to the learner stating that they've completed this course, this date, and so they're the things you can change. You can change the certificate of completion to whatever you'd like it to say. You can then change the date format, and down the bottom you can have VidVersity Academy. You can also change the logo, and if you choose the plain certificate, it doesn't have these balls on it. So just to sort of run you through, we now have a lot more features where you can deliver courses without a learning management system. So one is you can create the courses and then invite them to register themselves, or now you can actually manually enroll them, and you'll be able to email them with a name and login and password. And then once they log in, this dashboard has been created so they can see that they've not started, or passed a course. They can launch the course and a certificate is now issued.